In today's video, I will teach you how to use the patch tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. Open the image that you would like to edit. Now, in the toolbar, select the patch tool, then select the details, area, or object that you would like to patch. Make sure that the area that you have selected has the same size as the area that you would like to patch it with. Once you're satisfied with the selection, simply click on the inside of the area that you have selected and drag it to the area that you would like to patch it with. It also would be better if you're dragging the patch in small increments just to make sure that you wouldn't be missing a detail, especially if the area that you would like to patch is particularly larger than the area that you would like to patch it with. Now, repeat the process until everything that you would like to patch has been patched. And finally, to clean up the misplaced details, you can simply use the spot healing tool. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.